Leveraging the power of waste-to-energy technology for a better world, we enable optimum resource efficiency through our patented waste-to-energy technologies. Our state-of-the-art Vento Clean System Power Energy Generator makes it possible to convert waste into energy. This provides a world of benefits because it means there are no VOC, CO2, or fine dust emissions when producing energy. Our waste-to-energy solution enables industrial waste to be transformed into energy through an innovative hybrid technology that is as revolutionary as it is effective. The solution can be applied via ship-to-ship transshipment or via transshipment at a terminal. Our Vento Clean System is a mobile, shore-based vapor recovery unit that generates extensive added value. There are 0% VOC emissions. The available figures on CO2 emissions don't tell the whole story, with the actual figures likely being much higher. This is positive with respect to CO2 emissions because it means there is the potential to harness much more energy from waste, which in turn means fewer CO2 emissions. This produces energy that can be used locally.